Looking for the perfect tropical escape that combines luxury with authentic Mexican charm? Ocean Maya Royale might just be your answer. This 5-star all-inclusive resort sits beautifully along the pristine coastline of Riviera Maya, offering guests a sophisticated retreat that strikes the perfect balance between relaxation and adventure. After diving deep into guest reviews, amenities, and facilities, we're here to give you the complete breakdown of what makes this resort tick and whether it's worth your hard-earned vacation dollars. The accommodation options at Ocean Maya Royale are designed to cater to different preferences and budgets, though all maintain the same high standard of comfort and elegance. The Junior Suite Garden View rooms offer approximately 484 square feet of space, featuring either a king-size bed or 2 double beds, making them perfect for couples or small families. These rooms come equipped with modern amenities, including air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, minibars, coffee makers, safes, and complimentary Wi-Fi. The bathrooms are particularly impressive, featuring both showers and bathtubs, along with hairdryers and quality toiletries. What sets these rooms apart is the private balcony or terrace that overlooks the resort's lush tropical gardens, creating a serene atmosphere perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The decor blends modern furnishings with tropical accents, using neutral tones highlighted by turquoise and coral colors that reflect the Caribbean setting. For those seeking ocean views, the Junior Suite Ocean View offers the same spacious layout and amenities, but with breathtaking panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. These rooms are particularly popular with honeymooners and couples celebrating special occasions, as there's nothing quite like waking up to endless blue waters stretching to the horizon. The swim-up Junior Suites add an element of luxury and fun with direct access from the terrace to either a shared or private pool area. Imagine stepping out of your room and directly into refreshing pool water. It's like having your own private water park. For those wanting the ultimate luxury experience, the Suite Oceanfront provides approximately 646 square feet of space with a separate living area, king-size bed, and an expansive balcony with direct oceanfront views. These suites come with upgraded amenities, including premium minibar selections, plush bathrobes, comfortable slippers, and high-end toiletries that make you feel pampered from the moment you arrive. The dining scene at Ocean Maya Royale is where the resort really shines, offering multiple venues that cater to different moods and occasions throughout your stay. La Hacienda serves as the main restaurant, operating with a buffet-style concept that features live cooking stations where chefs prepare fresh dishes right before your eyes. The variety here is impressive, with international favorites sitting alongside authentic Mexican specialties. Fresh seafood takes center stage, with daily catches prepared in various styles, while grilled meats and traditional Mexican dishes like tacos, enchiladas, and mole provide authentic local flavors. Vegetarian guests will find plenty of options, though some reviews suggest the selection could be more extensive. The restaurant operates with specific hours for each meal service, and the themed buffet nights add excitement to the dining experience, with events like Mexican fiesta nights and special seafood evenings. For a more intimate dining experience, El Patio offers romantic a la carte dining focused on gourmet Mexican cuisine with modern twists. This 60-seat restaurant requires reservations and maintains a smart casual dress code, creating an atmosphere perfect for special occasions. The menu features sophisticated dishes like duck mole, fresh ceviche, and expertly grilled octopus, with monthly wine pairing dinners that elevate the experience even further. The grill provides a completely different vibe with its beachfront location and casual atmosphere. Here, you can enjoy lunch with your toes in the sand while savoring grilled seafood, gourmet burgers, and fresh tropical fruit salads. The lobster tail and fish tacos are particularly popular, and dining with ocean views creates an unforgettable experience. The bar scene is equally impressive, with the lobby bar serving as the sophisticated heart of the resort's nightlife, offering premium cocktails, wines, and spirits until midnight. The swim-up bar brings the party to the pool, serving tropical drinks and light snacks while you cool off in the water. And the beach bar provides the perfect spot for sunset cocktails, with refreshing drinks and casual refreshments, served until the sun disappears over the horizon. The pool and beach facilities at Ocean Maya Royale are truly spectacular, designed to provide variety and cater to different preferences throughout your stay. The resort features 3 distinct outdoor pools, each serving different purposes and atmospheres. The large main pool measures approximately 25 meters by 10 meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.8 meters, making it suitable for both swimming and water activities. This central hub features a swim-up bar where you can sip tropical cocktails without leaving the water, surrounded by comfortable loungers and shaded areas for those who prefer to stay out of the direct sun. The adults-only pool provides a tranquil escape for guests seeking peace and quiet, perfect for reading, relaxation, or intimate conversations without the excitement of family activities. The swim-up pool connects directly to certain room categories, allowing guests to literally step from their terrace into refreshing water whenever they desire. All pools operate from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. year-round, with towel service, drink service, and light snacks available poolside. The beach access is where Ocean Maya Royale really sets itself apart from other resorts. The property boasts approximately 300 meters of pristine white sandy beach with calm, turquoise waters that look like they belong in a postcard. The beach offers complimentary loungers, umbrellas, and towel service, ensuring comfort throughout your beach day. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy snorkeling in the clear waters, kayaking along the coastline, paddleboarding for a peaceful workout, or joining beach volleyball games for more active fun. The beach bar ensures you never have to venture far for refreshments, serving everything from ice-cold beers to elaborate tropical cocktails. The calm waters make swimming safe and enjoyable for guests of all ages, while the extensive beachfront provides plenty of space to find your perfect spot, whether you prefer the social atmosphere near the bar or a quieter stretch for peaceful relaxation. When it comes to activities and entertainment, Ocean Maya Royale ensures there's never a dull moment for guests who want to stay active and engaged. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, including treadmills and ellipticals, along with free weights and resistance machines for strength training. The facility operates from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., accommodating early risers and evening workout enthusiasts alike. Scheduled yoga and Pilates classes add a wellness component to the fitness offerings, while personal training sessions are available for those seeking customized workout plans. The entertainment program runs throughout the week with live music performances 5 nights a week, creating a vibrant atmosphere in the evenings. Weekend-themed parties add excitement and social opportunities, while cultural dance performances twice weekly provide insight into local Mexican traditions and heritage. These shows feature colorful costumes, traditional music, and skilled performers who bring Mexican culture to life in entertaining and educational presentations. Seasonal events make visits during holidays particularly special, with elaborate celebrations for Christmas, New Year's Eve, and Mexican Independence Day that include special decorations, traditional foods, and festive entertainment. The resort has received recognition from TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice in both 2022 and 2023, highlighting its commitment to providing exceptional guest experiences. Water sports activities extend beyond the basic offerings, with guided snorkeling tours that explore local coral reefs and marine life. The resort's location along the Riviera Maya coastline provides access to some of the world's most beautiful underwater environments, making it a paradise for snorkeling enthusiasts and those looking to try the activity for the first time. The spa and wellness facilities at Ocean Maya Royale provide a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation, featuring a comprehensive menu of treatments designed to pamper and restore. The spa offers various massage options, including Swedish massages for overall relaxation, deep tissue massages for muscle tension relief, and hot stone massages that combine heat therapy with skilled manipulation. Facial treatments cater to different skin types and concerns, while body wraps provide detoxification and skin nourishment benefits. The signature Mayan-inspired herbal massage incorporates traditional local ingredients and techniques, offering a unique cultural wellness experience that connects guests to the region's ancient healing traditions. Hydrotherapy treatments utilize water's healing properties for muscle relaxation and circulation improvement. The spa facilities include a sauna for dry heat therapy, a steam room for humid heat treatment, a peaceful relaxation lounge where guests can unwind before and after treatments, and multiple private treatment rooms designed for comfort and tranquility. Operating hours from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. provide flexibility for scheduling treatments around other resort activities. Advance booking is highly recommended, especially during peak seasons, and reservations can be made through the front desk or directly at the spa reception. The wellness philosophy extends beyond traditional spa treatments, with the facility serving as a complete wellness destination where guests can escape daily stresses and focus on physical and mental well-being. The skilled therapists are trained in various techniques and can customize treatments based on individual needs and preferences. The serene atmosphere, combined with professional service and high-quality products, creates an experience that many guests describe as one of the highlights of their stay. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.